Picture this, it's Friday night. You've wrapped up work, grabbed your snacks, and settled in for a long gaming session. You fire up your PlayStation, ready to dominate, but instead of loading screens, you're met with an error message. PSN is down. Again. Now, you might be thinking, not today, Sony. Not today. But here we are, thousands of gamers locked out, social media exploding with complaints, and the internet's collective patience running on fumes. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going on, why this outage is a big deal, and what it means for your weekend gaming plans. Stick around, because there's a surprising twist at the end. The chaos started Friday evening around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Reports of outages flooded Down Detector, and before you could say just one more match, PlayStation's entire online service had gone dark. Sony acknowledged the issue in a vague social media post, saying they were aware of the problem. Great. That's like your mechanic telling you, yep, your car won't start. Good luck with that. And just to make things even better, PlayStation's official status page confirmed that everything, from online gaming to the PlayStation Store, was down. So, if you had plans to binge Fortnite, Call of Duty, or even Roblox, well, you might want to pick up a book instead. But here's where things get really frustrating. This isn't just a random glitch. The timing is brutal. This weekend, a highly anticipated beta for Monster Hunter Wilds is live, and Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is offering a double XP event. Translation: players had limited time rewards and progression boosts on the line, and now, thanks to the outage, they're watching that opportunity slip away like sand through their fingers. On Reddit and X, formerly Twitter, the meltdown has been, let's call it entertaining. Posts are popping up every hour with players saying they still can't get in. Some are joking that their backlog of single-player games is finally getting some attention. Others, not so amused. So, what happens next? When will the servers be back? Well, that's the million-dollar question. As of now, PlayStation hasn't given a clear timeline. It could be minutes. It could be hours. Or, brace yourself, it could be the entire weekend. If you're a PlayStation gamer, you know this pain all too well. But hey, maybe this is a sign. A chance to rediscover an old hobby, call a friend, or, I don't know, touch grass. Just kidding, let's not get carried away. And speaking of things that won't disappoint, I've got another video lined up that dives into some of the biggest gaming controversies of the year. You won't want to miss it, so click on the screen now. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates, because the internet never sleeps, and neither do we. See you in the next one.